If you're dealing with IRS tax nightmares, tax problems, don't hire the first company that you might see in advertising. Here's some solutions that you definitely want to consider before you hire anybody. First option is try picking up the phone and dealing directly with the IRS. Get down name, number, and departments of whoever you're dealing with. At the same time, review your tax filing history. And if you're stuck right there and want to know what the next steps is, if you had a prior tax professional that helped you with the tax filings, they might be familiar with your situation and give you a bit more in-depth guidance as far as what you should do next. They could also review your tax filings to make sure that they're all correct. But it could be common that a lot of tax professionals out there do not deal in tax representation. And that is because they're just used to filing a tax return and not specializing in the representation and tax law portion of things with the IRS. Next on up is at tax time. They do have some VITA centers, which is coordinated between the IRS and local nonprofits, and they help you file tax returns at no cost. Of course, there might be income limitations to that, so you might want to look out for that. Next on up is the IRS Taxpayer Advocate Service. When they come into play is when you have tried to resolve issues through normal channels. Once the normal channels have failed, they can possibly take in and help you out resolve the case. They do review it and they do reject cases if you have not tried to resolve it through the normal channels. So make sure you keep that in mind. But they can help out with a variety of issues. And if ultimately, if you're out of free resources and you're looking for a paid professional, you could hire one of 3 professionals that are absolutely key when you deal directly with them. That is a tax attorney, a CPA, or an enrolled agent. If you're not dealing directly with one of those folks, you're dealing with a non-licensed person that's not your representative, that doesn't go on your power of attorney. And some of these big firms, they hire high commission folks to sell you services, not providing you tax guidance that you need. And if you want an honest case review directly with an enrolled agent, comment IRS Tax Solution. My team will reach out and we'll coordinate that free case. Make sure you like, follow,